Morning, ladies and gentlemen. Today, I am glad to explain about my research entitled Secondary Metabolite Plants as Insect Repellent. Let me start with how plants defend themselves from being a prey. There are two ways plants repel: mechanical and chemical. Mechanical protection can be found on the surface of the plants, such as hair, trichomes, thorns, spines, and thicker leaves, while chemical protection such as terpenoids, alkaloids, anthocyanins, phenols, and many more. These chemicals can either kill or retard the development of the insects. Indirect defense against is helped by the release of a blend of volatiles that specifically attract natural enemies. Secondary metabolites such as terpenoids, alkaloids, and phenols are organic compounds in plants which are not necessary for plant growth but essential for reducing plant volatility and a deterrent for pests. Nowadays, as we all know, some insects carry many serious diseases such as dengue, malaria, and many more. Cases caused by insects has increased in the recent year and reach high mortality rate. So I have decided to do something beneficial for the community. This is my aim of the ob- this is the aim and my objective. The objective of the research is to select specific plants from the research which has secondary metabolites that have repel effect and make a repellent agent in a form of spray or liquid and lotion. So the aim of the research is to identify plants which have secondary metabolite which can be used as insect repellent. Experiment 1. I started the research with 10 types of herbal plants such as papaya leaf, neem curry leaf, and many more. At first, 10 beakers were filled with 150 ml of distilled water and different types of leaf that were suspected to have secondary metabolites that have repel insects. The beaker later placed in a box and left in the bush for 10 days. The color changes day by day. On the 10th day, we found larvae on some of the surfaces of the plants except papaya leaf and Jeremin leaf. These are the results for experiment 1. This this is my conclusion. From the observation, it is found that papaya leaves and Jeremin leaves beaker contains no larva. This indicates that the insects try to avoid possible poisoning of secondary metabolites which can cause their eggs or larvae to die. Insects have hundreds of senses which can detect chemical. This is my sample collection of leaves. This is where I am cutting samples into tiny pieces, then adding samples into beaker with 150 ml of water. Then the beakers later placed in a box and left in the bush for 5 days. Please take my note. Please have parental supervision to avoid any insect contact or insect bites. Please do wear proper clothing, gloves and eyewear to protect your vision. Collected samples from the bush. Note, these are the collected samples from the bush. This is experiment 2. From that, I decided to further the research of insect repellent by observing the bite marks on leaves. I have chosen papaya leaf, lemongrass, jasmine and oregano as you can see in our data. This is the data as you can see here. My conclusion from this experiment is, from the observation, it is found that all the observed plants have less than half or no bites from insects. This indicates that secondary metabolites have plants in the leaf of above, plants able to repel or stop the insect from chewing their leaf. From results above, we can conclude that 4 plants have good potential to be an insect repellent. Further experiment needed to test the repellent effects of the plant's secondary metabolites. These are sample insect bite marks. Experiment 3. To strengthen the results of the research, we further experiment to test the repellent effects of the plant's secondary metabolites. The liquid that extracted from the leaf was placed around sugar in different places. These are the results for experiment 3. My conclusion from this is, from the observation, it is found that papaya leaf and Jeremin have good repellent effects on ants. Meanwhile, oregano and Jeremin have good repellent effects on mosquito. Testing of extract shows papaya leaf, oregano and Jeremin have a good effect on repellent on flies. Procedures to extract Jeremin leaf. First, we need to cut the Jeremin leaf into a bowl. Then, put it in a blender with 100 ml of water. Next, blend both mixtures. Sieve the mixture to drain out the liquid. Then you will have a green extract of Jeremin leaf. Making of repellent agent lotion and spray. The things needed is Jeremin leaf extract, beeswax, water and grapeseed oil. Now, making of repellent agent lotion and spray. Now I am going to specify the ingredients. 5 ml of Jeremin extract, 250 grams of beeswax, 100 ml of water, 50 ml of grapeseed oil. First, add the beeswax to a pot and start to slow heat until the beeswax melts. Add the rest of the ingredients to the pot and stir it. Then continue to heat slowly for 5 minutes and stir. Then remove the pot from the heat and cool it down until we have a thick solution. Then use a syringe to bottle the lotion mixture. Please have note, for water-based spray, we need 50 grams of beeswax, 300 ml of water and 1 teaspoon of aloe vera. The uniqueness of the lotion. The use of secondary metabolites in plants as insect repellent is a sustainable option as it utilizes natural resources, reduces the need for harmful in line with the Sustainable Development Goal 3, ensure healthy lives and promote well-being for all at all ages. Benefit to mankind. Firstly, secondary metabolites in plants are often biodegradable and do not persist in the environment, unlike synthetic chemicals that can accumulate in soil and water sources. Secondly, the use of secondary metabolites as insect repellents can reduce the spread of insect-borne diseases such as malaria, dengue fever, and Zika virus. Thirdly, the production of insect repellents from secondary metabolites in plants can provide economic opportunities for local communities. Commercialization. Secondary metabolites offer a promising alternative to synthetic insecticides as they naturally biodegradable and generally considered safe for humans and the environment. The commercialization of secondary metabolites in plants as insect repellents can also provide economic benefits for farmers and local communities who cultivate and harvest these plants. Future plans to seek investors to invest in this product. Come out with additional products like candle which acts as a insect repellent. To come out with different repellent with multiple fragrances. Commercialize the product in online platforms. Product costing. Raw material market cost. These calculations are based on 50 packs bottle ingredients. Average price cost 3 ringgit 50 cents. Commercializing this product will be more effective. Selling price to customers 5 ringgit per bottle. Profit for us is 1 ringgit 50 cents. This is my logo. The brand name is BioLeaf Gut. The red stands for passion and energy. The green representing good health and greener environment. Yellow stands for creativity. Blue stands for disease-free lifestyle. Gold Saturn ring. Gut for our health to repel insect-borne diseases. Green leaf resembles the Jeremin leaf which has repelling effects on insects. Products. Mosquito mist is water-based spray. Mosquito lotion, natural ingredient lotion. Product descriptions. We design for all age use with naturally derived ingredients, long-lasting, anti-insect, easy to use and convenient, safe and secure, baby-friendly product, non-toxic, non-greasy, contains Jeremin leaf extract, a natural insect repellent, contains beeswax and grapeseed oil, natural vitamin A and E, pet friendly. Frequently asked questions. What is the Jeremin leaf scientific name? Pelargonium rhodiola. What is Jeremin plant commonly known in Malaysia? Pokok halau nyamuk. Is this product clinically tested? No. However, it is made from naturally derived ingredients. Does this lotion repeller contain vitamins? Yes, it contains naturally has vitamin A and vitamin E. Is this product safe to use on babies? Yes, it is safe for humans and pet animals. Bye. Thank you.